Hey guys, so I'm here at the Grand Mercure Hotel in Danang. Here is a quick room tour of the suite grade rooms. As you walk in, there is a small washroom here. No, this is not the main washroom. Surprisingly enough, this is the bonus washroom. And right off that, you've got a walk-in pass-through closet, and we walk straight into the living area. And got some paintings on the wall and all of this, and then it looks into the bedroom. There's a little coffee station here with the fridge, and then we'll jump straight into this giant washroom, shower, bath area. So you've got the big soaker tub, the double sinks. This was the walk-in closet you saw earlier, or I guess walk-through closet. And it's nice that that door can be closed off, so you can close the room off from this washroom area. And you've got the small toilet area and a shower area with a rain shower. Big soaker tub with the glass wall that looks through past the bedroom. There's a shade that can be drawn down. I'm assuming that's what these buttons are for. Yeah, that's exactly what those buttons are for some privacy. But let's stop it, send it back. Alright, so bedroom itself, sizable. There's actually a TV on both sides. There's a TV on this wall facing the living room. I'm assuming that that couch is a pull-out couch that turns into a bed if you want space for an extra guest in here. And then there's another TV on this side facing the bed itself. And then this part I'm really liking. The view. Check that out. So Danang's a coastal city, if you haven't looked it up yet. We're looking out at the bay and the ocean, and in the distance there are some mountains, and even out there are some mountains out that way. So all in all, a pretty great view from this room. Alright, that was your quick room tour from the Grand Mercure in Danang. See you guys later.